As you can see, Mr. Jeffrey, plenty of room in the back seat for 3 passengers. It is leather. You also have your rear sunshades on the back. As you move to the front, power driver seat, you also have a leg extender as well, and memory seatings. Electronic tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And then one of the coolest features, everything on this vehicle, you even have the electronic dash. And you have your map, navigation, and everything right here as well. Bluetooth volume control mode button. As you can see, it even has a panoramic sunroof. And we're just going to take it for a quick drive around the lot, so you can get an idea of what it drives like. Also, you do have heated and cooled driver and passenger seats. Very smooth drive, very quiet. Obviously, with Cadillac, it is top of the line. You also have the backup camera. And as you can see, as you get closer to an object, it'll show you where. The seat even vibrates to alert you of anything behind you. Handles very well. And as I said, it's extremely smooth and quiet. And plenty of acceleration. And that is a virtual test drive. Any questions, please let me know. Again, my name's Alex. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Or you can give Richard a call and let us know what you think. If you have any questions or concerns, we will be happy to help you out. Again, it's Alex at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much.